Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to make a sorter. So first of all, let us make a new diffusing. Now erase this ground. Make sure to turn on the grid. Now first of all, we have to make a marble. Now for this video, we are going to use around 0.25 meters. We have made. Now make another circle that is 4 times bigger as that. In this case, it will be 1 meter. Now move the circle such that the center of the circle is exactly on the top of the boundary of the big circle, like this. Now right click this circle and go to combine shapes. There you will see separate option, click that. Now do this for right side, down and left side. Now move this marble away. Now right click this big circle and go to geometry actions. There you will see add center axis, click that. Now you have to make a circle which is as big as I mean which is 1.5 times bigger than this big circle. That will be 1.5 meters in this case. Now make another circle with the exact same center, which is around a little bit more than 4 times this marble. In this case we will take 1.38 meters. Now right click the circle on the top, go to combine shapes. There you have to click subtract, right click this and you go to click erase. You will get the ring. Now move this ring such that the center of this ring and center of this circle will be exactly same. You got it. Now right click this ring and go to the geometry actions. There you have to click glow background. Now make a rectangle just on the top of this ring, such that it has the length of the rectangle is as same as the diameter of the circle. Now right click this rectangle, go to combine shapes, click subtract. Do the same thing for the bottom side part of the circle. Ring, geometry actions, combine shapes, subtract. Now right click and erase this rectangle. Now go to eraser option on this left side here. You will see here the one of the blue things. Now go here. Now what are we going to do is we are going to make sure the smooth movement of the marbles, we are going to erase like slightly this top and bottom part of this left side and right side of this ring. Okay. For this case we are going to use the brush size around 0.06 meters. Erase here also, go down and erase there also slightly for the easy movements of the marbles. Now what are we going to do is we are going to right click all of these. We are going to select all of these. Now if you are wondering how am I clicking all of this, selecting all of this at the same time, you have to hold control and select all of them at the same time. Right click this selection and go to appearance. Now there will be a option called V. Now drag this where you can drag this. Now make sure that goes to like this blackest part, that is 0%. Now right click this axle. Now select, go to appearance. There you will see HSV, and there will be A. Drag that this into 0%. Now this will become invisible. Now put this marble above. Now what are we going to do is right click this axle. It will be center of the circle if you are wondering where it is. Now go there you go to this axle option. There will be a motor option. Click that. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make this motor torque maximum. We'll just reduce this into motor speed into 10 rpm. Now let us see how it is going. Okay, the marble is moving easy. Now what we can do is we can select this whole thing by this using this move tool. If you click and hold it, you can select the whole thing. Now go to this components part on top left. Here it will be here, this one. Click that. I already put in this for this case. What are we going to do is we are going to right click. We are going to drag this thing into here. There will be a pencil option here. If you are going hovering above it, the mouse pointer, click that pencil option and you can name it whatever you want. We are going to name it like sorter here, and that's it. We have made the sorter. Now advice is that if you are going to make sorter below sorter, now what you will try to do is, let me first make a clone of this sorter. You should always make sure there's a gap between this sorter and this sorter, otherwise when the marbles go down, you just on the first try the one marbles won't go down. There will be collection of marbles here, so this will cause traffic here, which will be not so nice in your marble devices. So we are going to leave a gap here. Now you to make sure this marble don't go out through this gap, what you are going to do is go to this box tool. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fill this gap like this using this left hand side and this right hand side. Oh, make sure this is not going there. A box is not above this here, so that marbles can move smoothly. Or if you want, if you make you can do that to make sure this marbles don't go again to the top. It's your choice. Now do this for right hand side, just like how I'm doing it. Now go to this eraser tool. Okay, now select this select both of these, right click it, go to appearance. There you will we put it the black text, that is 0%. Now go to geometry actions, click glue to background. Now what this will do is to make sure this traffic does not disturb this big circle, there will be always some space left so that some marbles can get collected here and cannot disturb this circle. Now that's it. I let now let us test this thing. You can just go to this clone of this rectangle thing. You can that we made. You can just put it over here like this to make sure that it is exactly like on this left side is exactly, and this left side of this right ring is exactly on top of each other. Now I'll just make a collection of marbles here. See, here's some circle here. Okay, now let us try check this. Okay, there is a clone object there. Now you can see how smoothly these are moving. There's no they are not getting stuck anywhere. Now if you are wondering how this sorter can be useful, if you are ever made a marble race or seen a marble race, you will know it's not that easy to control this movement of the to separate them into different places. Let's say you want to make alternator, which I will show in later videos. You don't want this marble two marbles to come at the same time, otherwise two marbles won't go at will go at the same side, which is not what you want. Now what this sorter will do, it will delay this the time at which this marble is coming. So there will be a time between one marble come first marble and the second marble, so that this alternator can properly work. Also you can do it for other marble pieces. And that's it guys, and if, make sure to like and subscribe this like this video and subscribe channel. Later I'll post later videos um, about next about alternator. You can also go to my this Algodoo channel. I have not made videos about it, but you can I'll later make. If you go to that channel, you can subscribe it. And that's it, and I'm leaving it. Tata and bye bye.